Hello, welcome back to Mindful Musings. I'm Dee Dee, your host. I am an energy alchemist, a sound bowl practitioner, and an intuitive. How are you today? It's been just a day or so since I did the last video and said hello, but just wanted to check in because these energies are just. I know quite a few people, quite a few of my friends and clients, etc. It's just a kind of a tough energy right now, however you want to look at it. And a lot of it is old programming, old emotions, things just coming back up, popping back up into the consciousness for us to take another look at. Remember, healing it's not linear. It's not like that, and I'm done with it, it's over. Unless of course it is. It's cyclical. It goes in layers, and it's a continual motion. So just please, if you are experiencing a lot of feels, remember it's Pisces. We are in the ending the Pisces season after a full moon, after a lunar eclipse. There's just a lot going on. So please be patient and kind and considerate with yourself, okay? And with others, because everyone's going through it. And please remember, turn off the propaganda box. I like that term. I was watching, was it Wild Wonder? I'll have to look up her name again, I forgot it, but I liked it. She called it the propaganda box, because that's what it is. Turn off the television, because with everything that is going on, it is just designed to get us off kilter, to get us into the fear mode, to get us not feeling ourselves. So please, in small doses, get the information you need and then leave it alone. It's very, very important, and I know this is just such a broken record, but this isn't just airy fairy woo woo, new agey blah blah blah, but please get connected to the earth, get yourself grounded. I'm kind of struggling with it, just even right in this moment, to get fully present. I even brought my little Shungite Merkaba. See that beautiful triangle that goes that way, and then the other way that goes. So you have the two triangles. You can kind of visualize yourself in the center of that. Energy flowing this way, and then the other triangle, energy flowing that way. And you can see yourself in the center of it. As above, so below, connecting. Allow yourself to cleanse your energy field and get here, right now. And Shungite is wonderful because it helps protect us from all the electromagnetics from our devices. And a lot of us are on our computers or on our phones. So remember, energy flowing that way, and then off that triangle, going that way. The Merkaba, Shungite, it's our friend. So whatever. And then, hello, thank you, darling. Again, don't really know what I have to say, except I know I just needed to pop on and say hello, let you know you're not alone. We are all in this together. How critically important it is for us to be in the present moment, balanced, stabilized. Allow our chakras to come into alignment with each each other. Focusing on your breath, square breathing, box breathing. That is what's going to help us get through all of this. Reaching out to each other when to ask for support, to be each other's support. Remembering that we are a lighthouse. But all lighthouses also need to be charged up in order to beam their light. So remember to do whatever you need to do to recharge those batteries so you can shine your light. Through the spine, all the way into the center of the earth. There we go. That's helping. Rise above. So below, firmly grounded. Remember triple grounding from the base of your feet, from the base of your spine. Up here, the soul star to the earth star. Feel the connection. you, but I needed that. I think I still need more. I would like more of that. It's funny because while doing that, I felt like ego was saying, talk, talk. Spirit was just saying, be silent. Let the bowls do the talking. Let the bowls do the healing. Sometimes that's the greatest gift we can give each other. It's just holding space for each other. Holding in silence. Seeing the loving essence. And just holding. Having that compassion for ourselves and for others as we go through this, as we ride that wave. It's like words aren't really adequate at this time. But the energy of love and healing of the sound. I'll go ahead and pull an oracle card. See if there is a message, guidance for us. Today is Tuesday, March 18th. We are spectacularly close to the vernal equinox in 2 days. Although you'd never know here, where today is going to be like in the mid-70s. Probably close to 80, and then tomorrow, blizzard warning. That's just life, isn't it? Oh, okay, who wants to? Sacred Forest spoke to me today, so let's see what Denise Lynn. What our spirit guides, my spirit team, Sacred Forest Oracle by Denise Lynn. Let's see what words of guidance. Spirit team, we ask for the light of protection, fill, surround, protect only that which is for the highest and greatest good. Come forward as we ask to release any karma, negativity, dis-ease, imbalance that can be released at this time. Only that which is for the highest and greatest comes forward. Whoa! Well, I don't know if we're going to have enough time for all of those, but we'll see. Seems to be a familiar theme, new beginnings. Spring. Spring is coming as we let go. The new beginnings. Embrace the new beginnings. Embrace the light Embrace the magic. I love that. The Daffodil Fairy. The images just keeps coming up. The daffodils aren't like one of the first things that we see in spring, and it just gives us so much hope. This is hope. Keep the hope. Do not give in to the despair, to the panic, to the energies that surround us. Daffodil Fairy is here to say we have new beginnings. Just keep focused on those new beginnings. Let's see what Denise Lynn has to say about Daffodil Fairy. Sexy bad. The little Daffodil Fairy being on your shoulder going, tapping you, going, hey, hey, the best is yet to be. Time for a new beginning. And with glee, you race after her into the forest. I like that. Life goes in cycles. Spring follows winter, a new cycle is beginning. In the faces of the earth, the plants die in the fall so that there can be birth in the spring. It's the universal dance of death and rebirth. There's a time to end and begin. And this is the close of one cycle and the beginning of another. We associate the daffodil with spring as it's, oh, I love that, as it is one of the first flowers to emerge after it snows. Its shape echoes the feeling of trumpeting in the new season. Its color suggests vitality, radiance, and sunshine. The appearance of this card brings a message. Wipe the slate clean. It is time to release the old and to start again. It can be difficult to release familiar routines or situations or relationships when no longer empower you. However, your highest self knows and encourages you to not cling to the old, but set sail into the new waters. If you find yourself afraid to let go, Daffodil Fairy urges you, face your fears. Allow yourself to stretch into that new direction. The Creator is at your side, and wonderful opportunities will be born in your life. Wholeness occurs when you can say yes to both endings and beginnings. The spirit of Daffodil Fairy says, hey, it's time to start a new project or a new cycle. Life force and vitality are emerging. So release that which doesn't serve you and support you. Make way for a new start. Success is at hand. I love that. And then as we let go, releasing the old, making way for the new, Enlightenment, the forest temple. Transformation, the enlightenment. I love that. That is beautiful. The forest temple. Enlightenment is on the path. Again, with the joy of the new creation, allowing that sacred information, that earth information, the wisdom to come forth. As she holds the chalice is full, the chalice of wisdom, of the heart, the wisdom of the heart, the goddess, the divine feminine energy. Embrace this. Allow the divine feminine to enlighten you, to enlighten us, to enlighten the path. Yes, the old is dying. is dead, but the new is emerging, and the divine feminine is here, and she is coaxing us to be all we can be, to be our true, authentic self. Let's see. Something seems to be shifting within you. Everything is the same, yet everything is somehow different. Boy, isn't that the truth? Meditate on the light within you and around you. Connect with the ever-present energy of the divine. Right now, your awareness is increasing. Your ability to understand the world is shifting. More and more, you can see situations from all points of view, and this creates an expansion in all parts of your life. This card can also reflect times when you are seeing the world from only your personal point of consciousness, which is dramatically restricting the possibilities for you. A one-sided, adamant view of life can block a vast influx of light, joy, and connection to the Creator. In temples throughout the world, initiates withdraw from their surroundings in order to gain an expanded perception of the inner reality of life. Intuition and healing abilities emerge during these times. Light is flooding into your life right now. With enlightenment, you'll feel the expansion from a limited sense of self to an awareness of the cosmos around you. Positive changes are coming. You are lightening up, feeling buoyant and free. Your connection to spirit is deepening. Old beliefs about who you are and what you deserve in life are falling away, replaced by incredible new paths. I like that. And then out comes the ancient oak spirit. Strength. Oh, I love the symbolism on this. The fairies coming up out of the ancient earth, the wisdom, the portal, the strength, the magic. This time of emergence, of enlightenment, requires great strength, great connection to the earth, great grounding. But know that like this beautiful ancient oak, we are strong. Tap into that strength, for it is needed now, and it will be needed to forge on this new path filled with ancient wisdom, filled this new beginnings, the new beginnings of enlightenment, of wisdom, is requiring all of our strength, all of our wisdom, and that profound connection to Mother, to the earth, bringing up the ancient wisdom. As we move forward, we will succeed. Believe in the magic. I love that ancient oak spirit. Walking softly in the forest, you can hear the deep, sonorous voice of the oak. When great oak spirit speaks, the forest becomes still and listens. Although you may not be consciously aware of them, powerful and profound messages seep into your soul and can be felt in the core of your being. This card represents standing strong in your truth. It appears as a sign that you need to step into your strength, or conversely, when you are responding to a situation with too much strength, take a look at that. Recall how a strong wind will cause the flexible willows to bend, but with rigid oak branch, it will break. Blizzard coming tomorrow. That just means strong winds. Means be strong in your roots, but flexible, bend. The ancient oak spirit may also foretell mystical experiences ahead. It reminds you of the wellspring of power within you. The oak tree doesn't need to overtly declare its power. It just is. If there is a blockage in your life, or if there is one that may be coming, this is declaring that now is the time to amass your inner strength to move beyond it. This is a card of good fortune. Know that you have the fortitude to achieve your goals, and help from the mystical realms is at hand. Believe in your own inner strength. You are wise and strong beyond measure, is what the spirit of the ancient oak tree says. Stand firm and rooted where you are. Speak your truth. You are intuitively guided in the right direction. Nice. Trust in your inner guidance, the new beginnings, and the wisdom. But know that it may require great strength and fortitude as you stand tall and stand true to who you truly are. Heed the wisdom of the ancient oak spirit. Deeply rooted in truth, deeply rooted into the earth, you will stand. The winds may blow. The winds may create the tornadoes, the dust, obscure your sight, the clear seeing. But as you stand in truth, as you stand deeply rooted, the winds will also clear away that which no longer serves, that which clouds your judgment and your discernment, to leave you with clear sight and guidance on the path that is ahead. Again, do not be rushed into moving fast. Easy does it. Grounded, connected to your higher source, flowing with the energy. Or as my friend Tracy says, I don't go with the flow, I am the flow. I love that. Affirm to yourself, I am flow. I am flowing. Peace be with you, my friends. I hope this was of some assistance, of some guidance. It has assisted me. So thank you. Thank you for being on this journey together with me. If you've liked this, be sure to like, subscribe, share. Let's grow our community. Be compassionate with yourself. drink lots of water, hydrate. The energies are high. The energies are swirling. You stay grounded like the oak, yet flexible like the willow. I'll check back in with you later. Be kind, be good, be patient, trust in your divine guidance. All right? Check in with you later, my loves. Square breathing. We've got this. So be it. Namaste.